The return of the king. Fable has returned.
Command AI.
Can you hear that?
Yeah. It's my first time watching this, listening also to the music. I didn't know, to the sound. I didn't know it had sound.
There you go.
Anyway.
Fable, I've been using it the last few days, and it is literally god tier. Like, we haven't covered it. GPT 5.6 was released as well under the same. Well, it's not been released yet, actually. And I think that. Do you remember when I said to you that the best marketing strategy you've got is when you get your own government to tell you can't release it? Well, that's exactly what they did with GPT 5.6 as well. So we'll no doubt see GPT 5.6 get released under the same sort of thing. But Fable is back, and you might have seen that there's actually a separate Fable bar that tells you how much Fable you can actually consume. But I saw this firsthand yesterday, where the day before yesterday I was working on this project, and it would take me, I was wrestling with Opus for a little bit. I was, getting the work done, but it took a little bit of nudging here or there. Much better than Sonnet 5. Sonnet 5 came and went pretty quickly doing this work. I thought it might be at least a little bit quicker, but it wasn't. It was quicker, but it just didn't do the work. Mate, one-shotted it with Fable. Absolutely one-shotted it with Fable. Like, it just did it. It just did the work, and just took a while to do it, but I can imagine the back and forth I would have had with Opus is more than worth the wait to get it done with Fable.
I have not yet had a moment where I'm like wanting to pull my hair out. What did
hair my pull?
When you speak too many mixed languages. I have yet to have that moment with Fable, where with other models I'm like, why don't you get it? The icons, they need to be aligned perfectly.
What are you not understanding here?
It's so simple. Like, why do I need to even explain this to you? Where Fable is like, yep, that's a task, it's done. it's just done. Are you done? Have you used up your complete? Have you used up Fable completely, or do you still have some credits left?
I've got some juice left in the tank, but to answer your question, yes, I did, and I immediately upgraded to the $200 a month plan because I wanted more Fable.
So for people who have not got Fable or the $100 tier subscription, I saw a tweet. I don't know if that's true, but I think it is. You can buy the $100 tier, you get Fable for that amount, and then you can upgrade to the $200, and then it resets your usage, and then you have.
I think it did. Yeah. So I've got extra Fable then.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, I used the $100, and then it just reset back to zero. But
but there you go.
Saying that, there are some safeguards in place. They've increased the number of safeguards, basically. So if you are coding, because I thought, actually, quick story time, I thought it was just going to get released in the chat app, because in their product release, they said, because they didn't tease it, but they announced that they will be releasing it. And they said for coding and research tasks, it will fall back to Opus 4.8. But again, I was with my friend yesterday, Susie, and she was like, Fable is back coding. And I couldn't see it in Claude Code. I updated it. I still couldn't see it when I went to go change my model, but I typed /model Fable and it kicked it into gear. So now we're back in business. But saying that, the safeguards are in place, but you should basically let them know if you're trying to do something. So I'm guessing a few people might run into blockers. I personally haven't yet. I was going to show something else. Oh, and also, there's a word on this availability. So it's available until the 7th, but we aim to restore Fable as standard part of our subscriptions as soon as capacity allows. It's basically because they just don't know. They're obviously going to anticipate a lot of high demand. Here we go. We anticipate high demand for Fable 5, difficult to predict. So hopefully we will get it back, but it does raise the question, would you pay more for Fable? I mean, I'm already paying more. I doubled my Claude subscription just to get Fable, because it was so nice just getting it to do something, and it just doing it. No wrestling around, it just did what it asked.
I highly recommend you, like, to the audience, to use Fable connected to the Figma MCP or Paper MCP, whichever you like, and try to do some UI design with it. It's genuinely so good. It has such a good understanding of layout and probably like spatial understanding, and it just produces, at worst, like, the UI is usable, like at worst. Like the worst result that I got from it is 10 times better than the result that I got from the Figma agents that I don't know which model we're using. So it's scary good for UI design, and I'm at the point where I'm like, I really want Fable to become a mainstream thing where I can do like more design with it. I'm at 88%, and now I'm in this state. I'm like, what can I do exactly with 12%? Because I don't want the job to get, half done. So I'm trying to figure out probably to give it some tasks to do it.
You might have seen on my latest video that I've gone for a new kind of design of my thumbnails. Why don't I just show you? This is what Opus came up with. Come on, right? And I gave it basically, I just wanted just to come up with something. I didn't want to like go for any kind of like around the houses and like, oh, it means this and that and the other. I just said, just fucking do something. Here's my website, just go do something. So this was like the thing. I didn't mind it. Red, and then this was Fable. So it's not, and I don't like there's too much here. Too much, but I did like the yellow and whatever, so it's a bit better. And then these are the two thumbnails I made with this. So this is the one that looks a bit Pornhubby, to be fair. But the reason why I showed you this is that if I'm going to go down this route, I might get Fable now to redesign my personal website, which is pretty basic, to be honest, and just apply that design again whilst we've got Fable, because now I get it. You should ask Fable to redesign it. So make the most. But I don't think there's anything more to be said. It's Fable. Go and use it. Like it's genuinely a step above. Like it's a fantastic model.
It doesn't disappoint. It doesn't really disappoint.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.